you haven't seen the unboxing video, I'm gonna link that in the little tag thingy in the corner right here. If you don't want to click it now and you don't want to interrupt it, I'll also leave the unboxing and my 1 month review at the end of the videos. It's gonna be on the two sides of me, you know, in the little, what it called. Yeah. It's like a nigga fuck it. I'm lit like a weed. I'm lit like a what? Lit like a stick. I'm lit in this bitch. I'm lit in this bitch. Yeah. I'm lit in this bitch. I'm lit in this bitch. I for sure weak in this bitch. I put the nut on your bitch. Like a snake, put your hand on your waist. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Move. Please run up. Oh, don't be a hero, boy, don't get fucked up. It's an apple, don't want problems. Pussy said he wants some beef, please run up. You need me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, you need me. Your bitch wanna lick the way that I drip. Shout the drip and I can feel drip. Start a gang, we don't leave a witness. Yeah. Abusing drugs, nigga, like I'm Whitney. Let me tell you how it started. I was with my niggas, we was trapping out apartment. I'm lit in this bitch. I'm lit like my wrist. I'm lit like my necklace. I got the stick for the hecklers. I'm lit in this hole. I pick and I roll. I do what I want. How can I stop when I'm on the go? Heard you be getting this shit off the boat. What nigga we gon' need a load? Heard you be having this shit for the low. What nigga we gon' need some more? We breaking bread like it's toast. Slip at the bottom, no toes. Bet that bitch gon' do the most. Just to hop in the lamb or the ghost. When you poppin', no wonder you shopping. You hop out and cop it and go. But you gotta know that every dollar that you spend should make you some more. These bitches ain't loving you, they loving your dough. They take it and go. These bitches ain't nothing but scavengers. So I beat these hoes of my savages. Still lit. 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 Yeah. Lit. Yeah. Lit.
Like Kobe, right? We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold them, right? I can make you a celebrity overnight. Play something these pros are like. Dry whips, I know they like. Twister, you told her, right? I can make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, right? We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold them, right? I can make you a celebrity overnight. Girl, I see you in the map about them jeans. Chinchilla on your back, I wanna know your name. Girl, I'm just I can blow your brains. Put you in a chameleon no range. Still sexy when you smoke that flame. Jerking like a chicken while you throw that thing. She got me hotter than the oven, the way that she talk. Switching the freaky, so I'm loving the way that she walk. You looking good, girl, you wanna be in pictures. Listen to me, I see your career going sky high. Taking you home to the crib.
some people had asked me about this hair, and somebody said something like about my part. You can see it. It's right there. See? Yes, I don't put extra powder on there because I don't want to. I feel like, I don't know. You feel me? But anyway, this hair is bomb. 32 inches. Copy you some. This is my company now. It's lit. Like, look at that. Look at that. What, nigga? You guys might be interested in me putting my hair on for school tomorrow. And I did another method from the other one. I used tape. But you remember that wig was just giving me hell. But this one, on the other hand, it's not going nowhere, hunty. Like, the spray, you got that. And then if y'all like glue and all that stuff, because y'all don't care about y'all edges, y'all can go use that too. But me... Also, I'm gonna come back and do a update video on my natural hair and my actual length, because I'm retaining a lot of length. Like, my hair is literally like under my titty now, like right here. But believe it or not, but like, it's there. So catch that soon. I'm gonna be back with another hair video. But you feel me? Asteria hair, you feel me? It's the move. KARMEL LING. Outtie.
Your time.